How are you all? I hope by the grace of God you all will be fine. Children, I am your teacher from Herald City School, Montessori Senior. Children, today we are going to discussing here the question answers of general knowledge. And today's question is about tools. Do you know, children, what are tools? Tool is an object to increase the ability of individuals. Children, there are many tools which we use in our daily routine, like hammer, spanner, screwdriver, screw, nut, nails, drill machine, and many other tools. But here we are discussing some important tools which we use in our daily routine. This is plier. Plier. It is used to hold the object firmly. This is screw. Screw. Screws are used to hold the things together as they pull or push the object. Screwdriver. Screwdriver. It is used to drive a screw into wood. This is hammer. Hammer. Hammer used to strike another object. This is saw. Saw. A saw is a tool consisting of tough blade, wire or chain with a hard tooth edge. It is used to cut mostly wood. This is drill machine. Drill machine. A drill machine is used to cut holes into or through materials, wood or other materials. This is spanner. Spanner. The spanner is a handheld tool used to provide grip or loose fasteners. I hope children you will learn about the tool's name. Kindly watch this video again and again and learn all the names of tools. Children, your home assignment is learn question number 5 of general knowledge. Thank you children. Take care and Allah Hafiz.